How to use best auto insurance companies reviewed properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Researching top auto insurance companies can save money, but most beginners make mistakes that leave them underinsured or overpaying. You won't believe how common errors affect coverage and costs. The first mistake is choosing solely based on ratings. A highly rated insurer may not offer the best coverage for your vehicle, driving habits, or location. Match ratings with personal needs. Another common error is ignoring total cost. Premiums, deductibles, co-pays, and coverage limits all matter. A low monthly payment may hide high out-of-pocket expenses. Many users also forget to verify discounts. Bundling policies, safe driving, and loyalty programs can save hundreds, but only if you ask and apply them. A surprising mistake is neglecting claim handling. Reputation. Fast, fair claims processing is often more important than low premiums when accidents happen. Read reviews carefully. Finally, beginners often overlook policy customization. Optional coverage like roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, or gap insurance can be crucial depending on your situation. To properly use best auto insurance company reviews, compare ratings with your needs, evaluate total costs, check discounts, research claims handling, and customize policies. Avoiding these mistakes ensures you get the best protection at the best price.